Hey guys, what's going on? It's Kevin, Escape Skiffs. Well, not behind me, but in front of me. We got another EVOx getting ready to roll out. We got a 90 horse Zook. Got the little 3-blade, and by the way, we're at the BlackFly event. Slowed down a little bit, so now I'm able to do a little video. We got the lean bars in the front and back. Dive ladder. There's always something new with us. But we got the removable folding backrest. Folds up, goes under the hatches. Then one of the cool features, we got the magnetic cushion. So in the laminate, put in the steel, and then we put the magnet inside. So cool little concept there. And we have the offset tower. Switches and controls are inside. Cup holders, he can stretch his legs. Got rod holders going forward and going backwards. It's got the oversized cast platform in the front, again with the lean bar. It's got the Tarova. This thing is just sick and clean. And this one's going to Georgia, but gentlemen, will be all over Florida and Georgia coast. Has a house down in Florida. But again, everybody on the internet is always asking how much, how fast. Well, let me just tell you guys, depends on how you build the boat, okay? I'm also going to tell you, I've been hearing my voice for years, but the people at Escape, I'm not talking about me, I'm talking about the team, because it is a we company. This guy's been with us a long time. Just amazing staff we have. There's a lot of choices out there today, but I don't know anybody as dedicated as the guys that work at our shop. Average guy's been with us for years, 14 years, 12 years, 9 years. We're one of the oldest factory direct builders left in our market. We started out of a garage. It'll be 17 years in February. If you guys are looking for a skiff, you obviously need to check us out. But I wanted to take the time and thank all the customers over the years, past, present, future, and obviously the staff, because these guys just knock it out of the park. But we're at the BlackFly event. It's been a great show. But this is just another bad mamma jamma. So y'all take care. EVOx. And by the way, the cost on these on average is low to high 40s, out the door, turnkey. You want the latest and greatest, you want the uber duper fiber, we do it all. But we're also real. We can give you the plus and minus to everything. We physically work with you. We are not just a factory direct builder. We are a custom builder. There's a difference. But y'all check it out. Tell me what you think. Y'all be safe, and thank you for the time. See ya.